Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. No, I didn't throw my box up. Want to know why? Because I don't want anything to break and it to be blamed on me instead of Ipsy for putting in some of those little papery things, which I can see outside the box. But listen, everything's just kind of floating around, and I'm really scared that something may have gotten broken. But only one way to find out. And if anyone is new to my channel, welcome, or new to what Ipsy is, this here is their quarterly $58 at $1.99 handling fee. We'll just call it a $60 per quarter box. You get 8 full-size products, and you get to choose 3 of the 8 products. The Icon Box is always curated by a celebrity or celebrity brand. This month's box is curated by Anastasia Beverly Hills, or ABH, and several of the products tossed in the box and or that you got to select from are from ABH. Alright, this is what the inside of my box looks like. There are more paper squigglies than I thought there would be, but let's be honest. Yes, you can recycle the paper, but no, it doesn't do anything whatsoever to protect the products. Alright, first item, we have some brushes. These are from, I'm gonna need my little friend, Alamar. And we have 3 brushes. Okay, so we have a lining brush, a packing brush, and a blending brush. And this set retails for $18. I am never upset when I get brushes in a box. Do I already own a lot? I would say more than a lot, but I still enjoy getting new brushes. All right, next item. Dun, dun, dun. No, I have a feeling everyone got this in their box. At least every unboxing I've seen thus far has received this. This here is a mascara from MAC. It's the Magic Extension Fibre Mascara. In my survey preference, I rank mascara as rarely, yet just about every other month I get one. So there's that. This, by the way, retails for $26. All right, next item. All right, this here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the cream bronzer, and I have it in the shade Amber. Please be a nice shade. I have a feeling it's going to be a little too warm for me. By the way, this retails for $35. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. It has that soft touch plastic. Let's take a look. Well, maybe not. It looks slightly dark, but when it comes to cream products, don't be scared if they're too dark because they will blend out. A little warm, but until we do a swatch and blend it out, we won't know. It is looking like it will be a decent shade match, or not too dark. Slightly too warm, but not so warm that I can't wear it. All right, what else did I get? Oh yes, I got this product here from a brand I never heard of. It's from PRUNIER, and it is something called a Plum Screen. It's SPF 31 broad spectrum. Not sure why it's called a Plum Screen. Does it maybe contain plum? Interesting. I just saw sunscreen or SPF and snatched it up. Honestly, the selections weren't very good in my opinion, considering they've relaunched, and I don't know, I had a lot of skincare options and a lot of stuff that I tick off as rarely in my options, but yet there was something that I wanted. So the products I ended up receiving, it's going to be a good box, but I was just giving a little side eye on my choices. All right, here's what the packaging looks like. It comes in a metal type tube. I'm going to assume, oh no, it is not safety sealed. All right, let's do a little swatch. By the way, this product is super bougie. This is 60 ml and it retails for $78. I know, right? So I kind of hope I don't like it because, if I wanted to repurchase it, it does look like it has a little tint to the SPF, which is nice. Hopefully it means no white cast. But let's see, does it have a scent? Does not seem to have a scent. I did read that there is some kind of super plum formula, and that's probably why they call it Plum Screen. It seemed to sink into the skin. All right, next product. It is a lipstick, and I hope the shade is as close to what I like in a pinky nude as it looked online. You know, sometimes those photos can be little misleading. This here is from Bobbi Brown, and it's the crushed lip color in the shade Buff. It retails for $32, so I was super excited to see it. Ooh, I hope the shade doesn't match that color band. Please. Oh, okay. The picture, which I'll float on screen if I can find it, made it look like it was a lot softer, nudie, really like how I enjoy it, super light, but I'll still give it a swatch and a try on. Okay, so it's right there. All right, so it looks like it's a little softer. In the tube, it's looking very cinnamon, which is a beautiful color. It's just not my jam, but let's see how she looks. All right, it's a hair darker than my preference, but I'm weird like that. It feels comfortable. It doesn't seem super pigmented and looks to be the type that you may have to reapply several times throughout the day. All right, next product. Ooh, we got something from Glow Recipe. Not gonna lie, the box is a little smaller than I thought. Although, is this an eye cream? Yes. Okay, so this is the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. All right, yes, it is an eye cream, so it makes total sense that this is the size. The packaging of everything I've seen from Glow Recipe is just stellar, super cute. All right, let's see if it's truly a gel. How many times you gotta pump it? Oh, okay. It is not a gel like I thought. It's like a very soft cream. I got way too much out, which the pump, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna like that because you're gonna end up going through the product like a lot quicker just because you get, that's probably 4 times the amount you would really need to put under your eyes. But let's see how it blends into the skin. Does it have a scent? Oh, it's barely there. Barely there. Very nice, soft, very soft, fruity scent. Like, probably no scent, but I'm picking up on just something very, very subtle. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. For a product from Glow Recipe and an eye cream, this is only $38, which compared to other brands, oftentimes eye creams can be $60, $70, $80 and up. This looks small, but this will last you a really long time. All right, next item. All right, this product I selected, it is from ABH. It's the Soft Glam 2 palette. Oh, interesting. It's fuzzy. It's not like, ooh, that just, you know when you rub something the wrong way, and it just put, what do you call that? It made my back tingle and not in a good way. Oh, okay, so this is a lot smaller than I envisioned based off of the photo. I know it said mini palette, but I don't know. The size is just a wee smaller than I anticipated. It's still good. Very nice color story if you are like me and like more neutral shades. I do like that there's a dark black. You can use it to deepen up any of these other shades. The Soft Glam 2 palette retails for $29. All right, the last item. I was so excited to see that Ipsy put this in my box because I know a lot of people wanted it and not as many people as I thought got it. And that product is this one here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Primrose Palette. This palette retails for $55 and is screaming neutrals to me. Ooh, I love this outer packaging. I love the shade of pink. It's a nice cool tone pink, and it almost feels like, I don't know that it's metal, but it's a harder cardboard, and it has like texture. Ooh, okay, so it does come with a mirror, and thank you for covering that so it doesn't blind my viewers. That there is beautiful. A really pretty and perfect for spring with some orangey, peachy, and pinky tones. I know some people received the Modern Renaissance and they were a little upset because that's an older palette. I would have loved to receive this because honestly, these are the first 2 palettes I've ever received from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm super excited because I had 0 and now I own 2. All right, let's recap everything I got in the May 2023 Ipsy Icon Box. I got a set of 3 eyeshadow brushes from Alamar Cosmetics, a Fibre mascara from MAC, an SPF 31 sunscreen from Le Prunier, the crushed lip color in Buff from Bobbi Brown, the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream from Glow Recipe, the cream bronzer from ABH in Amber, the Soft Glam 2 palette from ABH, and the Primrose Palette, also from ABH. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm not disappointed. Now, am I blown away? I'm not that either. I will use and enjoy 7 of the 8 products in this box, so that's nice. Sometimes there's only 4 or 5 out of the 8 that I will use. Did you enjoy your selection choices? Did you like your box? I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Knowing the prices of some of these items, it's going to be a very good value. And I did get 2 eyeshadow palettes in one box, so I cannot complain there. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, if you could click the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.